Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you love sweet treats and want to learn how to draw them, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to have so much fun drawing and coloring some super cute ice cream and popsicles. This tutorial is perfect for absolute beginners, so grab your supplies, and let's get started. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. A piece of paper. A pencil, any pencil will do. An eraser. And for coloring, you can use crayons, colored pencils, or markers, whatever you have. Thank you so much for drawing with us today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a big thumbs up, leave a comment below with what you'd like to draw next, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun art lessons. See you next time, happy drawing!